Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is flawless. It's pronounced flawless, and it is spelt F-L-A-W-L-E-S-S. Think flaw, spelled F-L-A-W, and then less. Flawless describes something perfect, without any imperfections or defects. For example, a 10 out of 10 score on a test could be called a flawless performance, as it is a perfect score. The word flawless comes from the word flaw, meaning a mark, fault, or imperfection, and the common suffix less. Less comes from Old English and means lacking. Therefore, if you put these two words together, you get something that is not flawed. Therefore, it is flawless. This year, Bayern Munich were the first football team in history to give a flawless performance throughout the Champions League. They won all 11 games they played in the tournament, with their perfect record finalised in their win against Paris Saint-Germain last week. This gave them a 100% success record in the tournament this year. What a flawless performance! Flawless describes an item or a thing. For example, you could have a flawless diamond or a flawless complexion. Flawless can be turned into flawlessly to make it an adverb, meaning in a manner free from imperfection. For example, the ballerina spun and danced flawlessly. Flawless is defined in the dictionary as perfect or without mistakes. Flawless's synonyms include perfect, unblemished, unmarked, mint, pristine, impeccable, immaculate, or faultless. Antonyms include flawed, defective, faulty, distorted, and impaired. See if you can find something flawless today. It could be a flawless performance on TV, a flawless item, or even a flawless yummy meal cooked by your parents. Remember to tell them this next time they rustle you up some grub. Try and impress a family member today by using the word flawless to describe something perfect. Have a top day, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.